KOVAI CLASSIC Industries make hydroponic unit. Nutritious fresh green fodder to use in dairy, goat and sheep farming. Fresh green fodder can be cultivated without soil in all the season. Hydroponic is cheaper compared to ready-made feed, and it is much nutritious and healthy with its root. Proper selection of seed is important to have better germination. Chemical treated seeds are not recommendable. Automatic sprinkled system is operated by half a horsepower electrical motor pump for 30 seconds once in every hour. A model unit with the measured area of 2.5 mts length and 1.5 mts width can produce about 40 kilograms of fresh green fodder per day. More information about KCI. KOVAI CLASSIC Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details,